there, Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're doing up baby back ribs in the Pit Boss with chicken quarters and some asparagus. Oh, hell yeah. So on the baby back ribs, what I'm using is Pit Boss pulled pork rub, along with, we're doubling it up, Uncle Steve's Shake, the thick meat. Oh, hell yeah. Delicious. The chicken, we're going to roll with Blackstone chicken and herb. And I think I'm adding some of that thick meat as well with the chicken. We're not doing any barbecue sauce today. That'll be after. Only dry. And these baby back ribs, I might wrap, I might not. We'll check it out. So these baby back ribs, I'm not going to spritz. I'm not going to add anything to it. I'm just going to wrap them for an hour. So they've been out for 2.5, put them in for an hour, pull them back out, dry the whole way for about another hour. So about a 4.5 hour cook at 275. Oh, hell yeah. folks. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. That is rocking. And it's a little hunk here that came off. Man, amazing. No barbecue sauce, just dry. I did wrap them. No spritz, no nothing on those baby backs. Baby backs got a lot of fat in there anyway. I did take the membrane off, and about 5 hours total. 2.5 unwrapped, wrapped an hour because I put the chicken on top. And I didn't want all that grease dripping down on top of the ribs. And that helps. Oh, look at them bones. Dynamite. That chicken smells so good. Oh. Temp at 165. Like 168, whatever. It's done. It's been resting. I tented it. Asparagus. Oh, it all smells amazing. Oh. Amazing. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. Come on. That rocks. So at this point, add whatever barbecue sauce you like. Oh, hell yeah. Woo! Almost lost it. Oh, man. Let's get all of this put together, thrown in the house. Everybody's going to eat real good tonight. Those are amazing. Dry ribs. They're not dry at all, actually. Just no barbecue sauce. And that chicken smells amazing. That is rocking. So, for about 15 bucks, yeah, that's about where I paid for chicken quarters, a baby back rack of ribs, and some asparagus. Amazing meal. Going to feed a whole bunch of people for 15 bucks. Oh, hell yeah. So, subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is.